Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Clue to Everything. So today I'll be unboxing a Bluetooth speaker from iGear. I got it at the rupees of some 2399 from a local store near me. So this looks fancy. So for the first, let's take a look at the features available. So the horn, that is the speaker, is of 5 watt, and the Bluetooth speed is 4.2, and it has an inbuilt battery that can be used as power bank of 3000 mAh, and power input is 240 volt, and the distance is 10 meters. So on the side you can see the images and the other explanations about the product. So okay, that's pretty good. And on the here you can see the three type of chargers available for different countries, for uh, like Europe, USA, and another one I don't, Indian type probably. So there are three types of charger available for this. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can charge it the right way. So let's get unboxing. Let's get it away. Okay, so here we go. This is the product. Okay, the product looks exactly like the box picture, the picture depicted on the box. And here's a silicone packet. And here the three types of charger as I mentioned. I think this is the Euro one, and one of them should be USA, another should be Australia one. I think so. So guys, let me know in the comments below so which type of belongs to which country. So here's the speaker. Okay, so okay, we can see the quality is pretty good over there. And yeah, okay, that's the charging light indication and the power on indication. And okay, yeah, okay, it has got a smooth rubbery finish on the black side on the mesh. And that is a power button, and that is the USB port for using like a power bank. And then on the back you've got the charger over here. So let's figure it out how to use it. I think you have to pull it like this, then you plug it in, I think so. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh yeah, okay, I got it. You have to push it away. Wait, yeah. So yeah, this goes something like that. Okay, so right away guys, so there you go, you have to just plug in like that and it's ready to use. So I live in India, so this is a charger I use. Charge it in, boom, there you go, that's it. Okay, so that's about the chargers. Now let's take a look at the product. How is the sound quality, what is the speed and the distance of the Bluetooth coverage. So let's take a look at the instruction manual. How do you power it on, how to use it. Okay, that's a pretty large one. Okay guys, so here is the operating manual over here, and that's the charging manual, how do you charge, etc. So okay, I have already gone through the manual, how do you use it, etc. So I'm just taking a look at the, just try to make a video over here, that's all. Okay guys, so as it said, I have to tap and hold on this for 3 seconds. Then I should hear a music or some kind of sound. Okay, yeah, okay, it is powered on. Okay guys, so it is powered on right now, you can see it is turning on. So let me connect it through my other device. You can see it shows us IGTRIO. Now it is paired up over here, you can hear the sound, but in the I will remove the sound in the audio, sorry, in the video I mean. Okay, just a second, let me go through YouTube and play something. Videos. Okay guys, this sound quality is pretty good. I have actually reduced the volume because my grandma was not doing well. So I had usually used to keep the volume at maximum, but today guys, as my grandma is not well. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the charging unit, that is using like a power bank. There are two USB ports, each of them is one 2.8 speed, that is super speed charging. So let me plug onto my device. Okay guys, so you can see it is okay, the charging speed is pretty good. You can see the indication on the speaker as well as my mobile. Let's put the other one. Okay guys, so it is charging. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.